Namaste, I'm Dr. Bhaswati Bhattacharya. I am a licensed physician in New York, USA, and also trained in pharmacology and in Ayurveda. I studied Ayurveda Rasashastra Bhaishya Kalpana at the Banaras Hindu University and returned back to New York to apply the best of Ayurveda in my practice as an allopathic doctor on one side, but also as an integrative doctor on the other. And most of my patients do not come to me for allopathic treatment. They come to me because they have been tested with the usual medicine, which happens to be modern medicine. And they're looking for solutions because they have not been able to find them in the usual medical system. The mainstream doesn't offer a lot in terms of longevity, wellness, and maintaining health. And oftentimes, it doesn't even treat the diseases that people come to it for, claiming that there are no cures. However, people have come to Ayurveda and found that oftentimes those diseases that are untreatable, incurable, terminal, or otherwise problematic and having very bad side effects from the medications that treat them, those same patients find excellent results with yoga, Ayurveda, and the Ayush systems. Longevity for a person requires attention to the present moment. The key to longevity is to live fully in the now, in the place that you're in the time that you're in. Sometimes that's very difficult because we have around us violence, inequities, discrimination, classism, racism, sexism, and all kinds of problems that keep us from living easy lives. But if we can still live in the present moment and see those as challenges, as lessons, and as, if you believe in karma, the lessons of karma, so that we can learn and evolve our souls. If you don't believe in karma, then you can see those things in the present moment that appear as obstacles, as challenges, and as ways for us to grow. The key to longevity is not about how many times you fall down, it's about how many times you get up. It's not about how you fail, but it's about how you work through those failures and transform them to see them as lessons. Most of the most difficult things that people have experienced, they heal from once they shift and switch and realize that those obstacles were really ways of learning. That's not always true. There are things that can take us down, such as a very severe infection, a severe accident that requires the loss of a limb. And there are cancers that are sometimes debilitating. But the key to longevity is to go past those and see them still as lessons and keep living. Because life is not about how much money you have in the bank, how many cars you own, or how much wealth you have, even though those are important for us as people who have exited from the slavery of the British and of the conquistors before that time. And that's been in the last 100 years. So all of us have grandparents, great-grandparents who were in fact under that imperialistic slavery. So we do have that tendency to want material wealth. But Bharat is the land of spiritual wealth. And the key to longevity is relationships, connection with nature, and an awareness of the blessings in this time, in this space, in this moment. Ayurveda gives us that. And so I am a devout follower of Ayurveda. And I hope that you also can find things in your life that will help you to live in the present moment so that you can increase your longevity and your useful, happy, wholesome, and good life. Thanks.